If you use a Mac, these shortcuts will save you so much time, especially the last one, almost no one knows. I have been a Mac user for more than a decade now. These are the shortcuts I use every single day to stay fast and productive. Let's dive into it. These are the basic cut, copy, paste, Command C, Command V and Command X. Simple but still the foundation of everything. If you press Command plus Tab, this is the fastest way to switch between apps. This alone will save you hours of time. Next, Command Space. This is my most used shortcut. So this opens the Spotlight search where you can find whatever file you want once you type in the file name. Next, Command Option Escape. This is more like Mac's version of Task Manager. If you want to force quit any of the app, you can do it from here. Next, Command Option Delete. Most people don't know this. Instead of sending to trash, this permanently deletes a file instantly. Next, Command Option H. If your screen is cluttered, this hides all other windows except the one you are working on. Super useful for focus. This command will be used by most of us. It's the screenshot command. You have 3 shortcuts for screenshot. So if you press Command Shift and 3, it directly takes the screenshot. If you press Command Shift 4, you can select the area which you want to take a screenshot of. Next, Command Shift 5, you have different options where you can capture the screen, or you can even capture a screen video. Before, it used to be just a normal video, but this time you have different formats like SDR and HDR. If you use Safari, this might be useful for you. If you have multiple tabs open and if you press Command 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it switches between the tabs instantly. Next, in Safari, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, it's possible. So if you press Command and plus, it zooms in. If you press Command and minus, it zooms out. But if you want to go to the default view, you can press Command and 0. If you want to quit Safari but want to keep all tabs, go to Safari and press Command Option and Q. So next time when you open Safari, the tabs are restored. If you want to open a link in a new tab, you can press Command and click. It will be opened in a new tab automatically. These shortcuts make your Mac experience so much faster. If you want more hidden Mac tips, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.